بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our English class with A to Z poem. All of you stand up. Okay, we all will sing together. Let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay students, very good. Okay students, today I will introduce one of our new friends. I hope you all will like it. But before going forward, we will repeat the previous lesson. Okay? What is this? This is A. This is A. And the sound A. Name A, sound A. Name A, sound A. This is B. And the sound B. B sound B. B sound B. Name B and the sound B. This is B and the sound B. This is C and the sound K. This is C. This is C and the sound K. This is C and the sound K. Name C, sound K. This is D. Name D and the sound D. Name D, sound D. Name D, sound D. This is E. What is this? E. What is this? E. And the sound A. This is E. And the sound A. This is E. And the sound A. This is E. And the sound A. Okay students. Do you know what is this? Today I will introduce one of our new friend. This is our new friend. Okay students, do you know what's its name? Yes, this is F. What is this? F. बच्चों मेरे साथ बोले F. क्या है ये बच्चों? F. मेरे साथ पढ़ें बच्चों. F. Name F. Name F. And the sound and the sound F. And the sound F. Name F and the sound F. Name F and the sound F. Name F and the sound F. Name F, sound F. Name F, sound F. Name F, sound F. Okay students, this is F and the sound F. Okay, now I have a very good poem. Okay, we will sing together. I am F. I am F. I am F. I am F. The letter F. The letter F. I make a sound. I make a sound. I am F. I am F. The letter F. I make a sound. I make a sound. I am F. The letter F. I make a sound. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेम और साउंड सीख लेने के बाद अब हम एफ का एक्शन सीखेंगे. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस स्टूडेंट and do the same like him. Okay, let's start. Name F sound. 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 Name F. Very good. Okay students, now look at this alphabet chart. बच्चों, इस चार्ट को देखें. Yes, we will start from A. This is A and the sound A. बच्चों, ये A है और इसका sound A. Name A, sound A. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. This is C and the sound K. Name C, sound K. Name C, sound K. Name C, sound K. This is D. बच्चों, ये D है and the sound D. D sound D. D sound D. D sound D. This is E. E sound E. E sound E. E sound E. E sound E. Okay students, what is this? इसको याद करें बच्चों. What's its name? Yes, this is F. What is this? F. What is this? F. And the sound F. And the sound F. And the sound F. Name F, sound F. F sound F. F sound F. F sound F. Okay students, very good. Okay students, now we will revise the name, sound and actions from A to F. Okay, let's start. Name A, sound A. Name A, sound A. Name A, sound A. Name A, sound A. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Name C, sound K. Name C, sound K. Name C, sound K. Name C, sound K. Name D, sound D. 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 Name E, sound E. Name E, sound E. Name E, sound E. Name E, sound E. Name F, sound F. Name F, sound F. Name F, sound F. Name F, sound F. Very good. Okay students, now homework time. बच्चों, आपने घर में A to F नेम, साउंड और एक्शन की अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवानी है और हमें व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करनी है. ओके, इट्स योर होमवर्क एंड मस्ट शेयर योर वीडियोस टू अस ऑन व्हाट्सएप. अल्लाह हाफिज.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.